Good evening and good morning and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Josh and ako po yung magiging speaker for today. Welcome to One International Academy and welcome to, of course, I1 International Corporation. That's the name of the company, I1 International Corporation. But before po tayo mag-uumpisa, maybe bibigyan ko muna kayo ng idea kung para makilala niyo naman kung sino yung kausap nyo ngayon. Of course, I am a professional networker. I'm Josh Repolio and I am 36 years old. And at the same time, I am a graduate of AB English from a certain university here in Davao City. The reason why I joined in this kind of industry is because, number one, I have a mission to fill. Ang dami ko po kasing nakikita mga taong nahihirapan at medyo nagkaroon ng problem when it comes to their dreams and aspirations. 2005, I was clearly diagnosed with anaplastic anemia. This is the very reason why I joined network marketing. During that time is medyo hard up na po yung buhay namin kasi my brother died of the same ailment and that is leukemia. He was 18 years old during that time and the problem is we don't have enough money for the medication, for the mobilization, for the, of course, for the doctor's intervention. During that time when my brother suffered from leukemia, we sold everything. Bahay namin, properties, pati negosyo namin na bankrupt talaga. Trying to save my brother's life. But in no avail, sad to say my brother passed away. During that time, that was the most difficult situation in our lives because my father almost lost his sanity and medyo nagkaroon talaga ng problem kasi nga po, ubos yung pera namin. To a point na kailangan namin mag-apply sa professional squatter para magkaroon kami ng isang area for us to build our house. In fact, hindi nga po matatawag na bahay yun kasi para siyang bodega talaga. But we don't have a choice during that time kasi nga po kailangan namin magkaroon ng tirahan. To cut it short, 2005, I was working with an advertising agency. After I graduated 2003, I looked for a job. It took me 2 years kasi nga po hindi sanay sa trabaho. Medyo yung family namin, father ko yung bumubuhay. So during that time, nag-apply ako ng trabaho and luckily I got the job. I was working with an advertising agency. And hindi ko na mention yung pangalan ng advertising agency. But of course, during the time kasi is medyo hindi ko po siya linya. Medyo nahirapan, nagkaroon ng problem. Until such time nagkaroon ako ng problem. Biglang nagkaroon ako ng nose bleeding at the same time nagkaroon ng maraming pasak sa katawan. When I had my blood check, the doctor confirmed that I am suffering from aplastic anemia. I was praying for my life because the oncologist, ang sinabi sa akin kasi, the oncologist told me na I am having a problem with a rare cancer of the blood. At yung sinabi niya yun sa akin, I only have 6 months to live. So, medyo nagka-down, medyo nagkaroon ng disappointment, and of course, medyo nahirapan. I did not tell my parents about it kasi medyo, ayoko rin malaman nila kasi baka mahirapan tanggapin ng father ko especially. So, to cut it short, when it comes to this kind of industry, isa po ako sa pinaka-skeptic, isa ako sa pinaka-negative kasi nga po nagkaroon ng problem during the time when I was studying. A group of my friends went into this kind of industry, medyo nagka-problem sila. So, nung nagkaroon ng problema, hindi na po nila namalayan na because of joining a certain company in this industry, medyo hindi po sila nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. In fact, nagkaroon po sila ng problem with their families. And I used to hate the industry. But when it comes to knowing kung anong klaseng industriya meron ito, hindi po ako nagkaroon ng chance kasi nga po medyo nagkaroon na tinatawag na, anong tawag nito? Stereotyping. Kumbaga, sinasabi ko lahat ng ganitong klaseng industry, medyo pare-pareho lang. But to cut it short, somebody introduced to me a product. When I prayed for my second life, sabi ko, Lord, at least 2 years of extension. When I prayed for my life, may lumapit sa akin. At sinabi na, alam niyo na po kung may nagbibenta sa akin, tinatanong ko lagi, is that a networking company? Kasi pag networking po yung distribution of the products, parang ayoko talaga kasi nagkaroon nga ako ng parang trauma for my friends, not for me. But to cut it short, sabi ko, I prayed for an instrument, a 2 years extension of my life. Maybe this could be a God-answered prayer na matulungan, na at least man lang, ma-extend or ma-expand or ma-extend yung life ko. So, I got the products, I did the research, and fortunately, after doing the research, ito po yung nakita ko. In this kind of industry, doesn't matter if you are if your product is sellable or if your product is really that good, especially with our company right now, kakampisa pa lang namin. It's a matter of how you give hope to people when it comes to giving quality information about the products. Ang nakita ko naman kasi is when I saw the product of the company, I did not believe immediately. I did the research. And after doing the research, I told the person na nagbenta sa akin na, sige ma'am, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. I will use the product. Pag gumaling ako sa nararamdaman ko or sa sakit ko, I will become one of the communicators of your company to let the people know that there's a good product other than conventional medicine. So, to cut it short, it took me 3 months taking the products. And by God's grace, unfortunately, by God's grace, when I had my blood check, when I had my oncologist tested me, by God's grace, nag-negative na po yung cancer ko. So that was the trying time for me to go on educating people how good this industry that is MAC, na inaayawan, kinakatakutan, and everything was history. And when it comes to getting the great life, the wonderful life that we've all been dreaming for, I can attest that when it comes to the product efficacy, the information campaign of the people na binibigay sa atin, especially in this kind of industry, I would say, ang ganda po talaga ng patutunguhan ng industriya ng network marketing. So when I joined the previous company, it took me 12 years. In fact, nalibot ko po some parts of Southeast Asia and of course, the entire Philippines, giving education to people. Yun na naman ang nakita ko dito sa network marketing. It doesn't really mean that you have to sell products, magbebenta ka, magre-recruit ka. Ang ibig lang po sabihin nito, kailangan mo lang bigyan ng magandang information, education yung mga tao so that they could come up with the best decision that they will have, especially if they will be joining a certain company. Now, talking about my life story right now, hindi naman tayo magkakakilala, hindi tayo especially to the people all over the world right now who is watching our live streaming. Ang point ko lang po dito in giving this information is it doesn't matter how good you are, what is your background, ano yung pinanggalingan mo. The only thing is, in this industry, in the network marketing industry, the only thing that matters right now is kung ano ba yung heart mo na tumulong sa ibang tao. Because this industry is designed na for you to get your dreams, for you to reach your dreams, you have to help other people. And when the time comes that I was set by the company to become a speaker or a representative of my company, I immediately tell the people that this industry is a very big industry for us to cover. Kumbaga, masyadong malaki ang industriya ng network marketing, creating billions of dollars of sales every month or every year, I would say, para ikahiya. So dito po when I joined this company, this certain company that I will be discussing with you right now, dito ko po na-appreciate that this does not only cater or hindi lang po ibig sabihin na we need to earn a lot of big income. But of course, hypocrisy kung sasabihin natin ayaw natin ng malaking income. Kailangan natin ng malaking income, right? But ang point ko lang dito is for you to earn big income, this industry is designed that for you to get all of your dreams in life, you have to help other people get their dreams. The very point of this industry is help other people achieve their aspirations in life. That is why when it comes to this kind of business, I would say, I can tell the people that I came from the heart. I can give you reasons to try. Galing po ako doon. And at the same time, this industry gives value to people's life. Kagaya na nangyari sa amin ngayon. We are dreaming for a great life, we are dreaming for a big life, and this could be your chance. Ito na po yung maging palasan, lalo na po sa mga kababayan natin, mga OFW who are watching right now. Pakinggan lang po itong sasabihin namin sa inyo because this industry has been creating a lot of multi-millionaires not only here in the Philippines, but of course, in other parts of the world. Imagine, sinasabi natin lagi that network marketing is negative, network marketing is this and that. But as we all know, network marketing has been creating a huge wave, not only in the local market, but as well in the international arena. Yung nakita ko po kasi dito is, it has been so big that a lot of people try to ignore this kind of industry. Pero I would say this might not be not the only way, but this is one of the biggest possible way for us to earn a living. Now, para po sa mga kababayan natin na nasa labas at nasa ibang bansa, hindi naman po kailangan talaga na ilagay nyo lahat. Ibigay nyo lahat dito. All you need to do is just to listen. And after that, you come up with the best decision. Kung ano yung magiging decision ninyo. Whether you will be joining, you'll be doing the business or not. But of course, to give you an idea about how great and wonderful our company is, we will start with a very basic information about our company. So kung ready na po kayo umangat sa buhay at magkaroon ng magandang direksyon, hindi naman po lahat naniniwala sa atin at hindi naman po natin pinipilit. Ang sinasabi lang po natin dito is, we will be giving people enough reasons to dream big and to be big in this kind of industry. So let us start with a very basic concept about our company. Kung handa na po kayo, ito lang po yung magiging sukatan ninyo sa pagde-decide kung ano ang magandang desisyon na pwede nyo i-come up. Okay? So now, papakilala po namin sa inyo ngayon our company. And if you're ready, please eyes on the screen. Parang teacher lang, ano? Okay, so this is our company. As you can see the logo, it signifies infinity. Walang katapusang swerte. Walang katapusang pagkuha sa pangarap. And this signifies also the color of the nature. And we belong to natural supplements and natural product. So ang name po ng company natin is Infinite Wellness Opportunity Network or I-WON. Kita nyo naman, sa pangalan pa lang po, panalong-panalo na tayo. Kasi nga, I-WON. Iba sinasabi, winning, papunta pa lang. Dito, this is a declaration of victory. I-WON stands for Infinite Wellness Opportunity Network. So as you can see on your screen, that's the name of the company. I-WON. I won, you won, we won. So I-WON. That's the name of the company. Tandaan niyo po. Our board of directors, ito po yung mga magigiting. Tinatawag namin the big three of I-WON. They started from a very simple lives. They dream, nangarap, pinagtrabahuan, nag-join sa ganitong klaseng industriya, and they became successful. Ito lang po tandaan natin, pag sumasali tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng negosyo, kailangan natin tingnan ang background ng kumpanya at background ng mga may-ari. Dito po sa I-WON, as you can notice, we have here the top or the big three of I-WON. We have, of course, our Vice President for Training. We have Vice President Dennis Villarosa. Siya lang naman po, isa sa mga online marketing guru, not only here in the Philippines, but of course, in some or most part of Asia. Ano pong ginagawa ni Vice Dennis Villarosa? Ang trabaho lang naman niya po is bigyan ng pamamaraan na habang gumagamit ka ng Facebook, nakikichismis tayo sa Facebook, naglalabas tayo ng samaliwot sa Facebook, nakikipagchikahan tayo sa mga friends natin sa Facebook, nagpo-post na kung ano-anong status natin sa Facebook. Ang ginagawa ni Vice Dennis, instead of using our time into something na hindi naman productive, he made it a point na once you become a part of I-WON, bibigyan ka ng idea na kung paano gamitin yung Facebook mo in a way that you will become productive while helping other people. You'll become also one of the most productive Facebook users in the country, and you can reach the international market because alam naman natin, Facebook is a phenomenal application on phone or on mobile na pwede natin gamitin to get a lot of prospects, to get a lot of friends, to gain a lot of good relationships. So, if you are doing Facebook right now, you can check I-WON, kung paano namin ginagawa at kung paano namin pino-forward sa international market yung pamamaraan on how to earn for a living while winning a friend. Dito kasi sa I-WON, we believe that while you are learning, you are earning. Di ba ang ganda po nun? Na habang kumikita tayo, natututo din tayo at the same time. So that is one of the basic functions of our Vice President for Training, Dennis Villarosa. And the good thing about this one, our Vice President for Sales and Marketing has been a renowned speaker all over the globe. One of the most respected and one of the most requested speakers in the world of network marketing. Requested, bakit po? Ang dami niya na pong naturuan. He is one of the best speakers na nakilala ko po sa industriya ng network marketing. Believe it or not, kahit 4 na oras kayo mag-uusap at nagpe-present siya, kahit nahihi ka na, ayaw mo talagang tumayo kasi nakikita mo na baka pag nagkaroon ka ng skip doon sa moment na binibigay niya sa mga lectures niya, magkakaroon ka ng parang makakalimutan o hindi mo madugtong-dugtong. So, This is a very good speaker, and he is right now with us here in Mindanao, particularly in Davao. And we would like to say thank you to this Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Vice Anthony Gatchalian. Ito naman po, poging-poging po yan. So, he is right now one of the owners and one of the BODs or Board of Directors of I1 International Corporation. And of course, the chairman of the board, the president and the CEO of I1 International Corporation, of course, Chairman Charles Nangurayan. Alam niyo po ba, a quick background lang po. Chairman Charles Nangurayan is a very humble person. He started a very humble beginning. When he joined network marketing, he doesn't have any idea kung paano palakihin yung group or organization niya, pero he was willing to learn in every bit and piece of the network marketing arena. Inaral niya po, nagpakahirap, kumuha ng maraming tao, na-reject, ang daming pinagdaanan. And he started from the lowest point of his life when he joined in this industry. So, nung nagkaroon po siya ng idea on how to do the market, ito lang po pala, sabi niya, and I can quote it from him, na-learn ko po sa kanya that before success, you have to undergo a process. Sarap po, no? Before mo makuha yung success, you have to undergo a process. Sa kanya ko po narinig yun. And that is why every time I encounter a lot of challenges when it comes to this kind of industry, lagi ko lang pong iniisip, sinasabi ni Chairman Charles, na before success, you will undergo a lot of process. So tandaan po natin din lahat yan. Hindi naman po lahat nakukuha natin sa madalian. There's no such thing as overnight success, as they all said. Now, this time, Chairman Charles Nangurayan is one of the owners of I1. He started from nothing. He started from scratch. Lumaki. And biruin mo, he became one of the top earners, I would say, the topmost position. He got a Hall of Famer from a certain networking company he was with, earning not less than 3 million a month. That's quite an achievement. So kung titingnan natin, ang dami ng mga kumpanya nagtatayuan at naglalabasan ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. But the question is, are they credible enough? The owners of this company, are they credible enough? Kaya ba nilang intindihin ang mga nararamdaman at pinagdadaanan ng mga networkers? Well, I can assure you that these three, nag-umpisa sa simula, naging distributor, na-network, na-reject, nahabol ng aso, kung ano-ano pinagdadaanan. But to a certain point of their lives, they never gave up. And look at them right now. They are the owners and the BODs of I1 International Corporation. So sa mga nanonood, palakpakan po natin ang tatlong may-ari ng I1. Okay? So, move on. And when it comes to becoming serious, ito lang po ang kauna-unang Filipino-owned company na nagtayo lang naman ng sabay na dalawang office, both in Luzon, in the main office in Manila, and in Mindanao. And to tell you honestly, I was so amazed when I visited the office of this company. Bakit? Ang laki ng opisina. Kung titingnan ninyo, it's a 770 square meter office. Ang laki. And it's situated in the 24th floor of Tycoon Building, Pearl Drive, Ortigas Center, Pasig. Kung titingnan nyo po, sobrang laki at sobrang amazing po ang pag-uumpisa ng I1 talaga. This is our receiving room. Titingnan nyo, may mga seating capacity pa lang. Oh my God, this is a very presentable office. Hindi mo po ikakahiya that you belong and you are part of I1 International Corporation. This is part of the receiving room. I was able to see it because napunta ko ako dito sa head office during our awarding. Okay? And this is our encoding room. Meron po tayong mga computers because our system is now online. Sabay po natin ni-launch an offline and online network marketing. So kung titingnan niyo po, pambihira, sobrang ganda talaga ng opisina ng I1. At ipagmamalaki mo that you are a network professional of I1 International Corporation. Okay, so this is the receiving area. And of course, hindi rin po pahuhuli. We have our Davao office. Ito pong seseminaran natin ngayon, this is one of the divisions of the offices. This is the conference room. At andito po tayo ngayon sa conference room. We are live right now in the international arena, in international market. So dito po sa Davao office, let me just give you a tour. Ito po yung training room natin, which happens to be all glass. Sobrang ganda talaga. At nakaka-proud pag nagdala ka ng invite ko dito. Talagang pag pumunta sila, nakikita nila sobrang seryoso, sobrang ganda ng opisina natin. At ipagmamalaki mo talaga that you are an I1 distributor or I1 dealer. This is our receiving room, part of the receiving room natin, interior perspective of our seminar room, at hindi na po siya interior perspective ngayon kasi po, gawa na po talaga siya. This is our encoding room. We have the computers, we have the receiving room. Kung titingnan niyo po, sobrang ganda ng opisina natin. And this is our conference room, which we are with right now. Okay, so, bakit ko po ito pinapakita? Yung opisina natin. Because it always tells how serious the company is when it comes to dealing or doing business with our business partners. Ito lang po ang maganda sa atin. We have all the reasons to do business with Iwan right now. Kasi kung sobrang serious ang mga company owners, all the more we have to be serious. Kasi nga po, pangarap natin yung chine-chase natin dito. So let's go to our first wave of products. Of course, hindi po pwede isang network marketing company. Wala pong produktong ibabagay, papakita. Now, hindi po namin kayo i-hype. Hindi po namin kayo i-hype na sasabihin natin, sobrang ganda ng products namin. But of course, in our perspective, maganda kasi nagamit na namin. But since our company is an 8-month-old company, remember this, 8-month-old company, entire world, 8 buwan pa lang po tayo. In our perspective, sasabihin namin, the product is good. Why? We will not push the product in the market pag hindi namin nagamit. So kung titingnan niyo naman po sa mga itsura namin, sa mga pagmumukha namin dito, we can really say that we have the best product. May people nga lang po dito. Okay, anyway, kidding aside. So, when it comes to first wave of products, I would say we have been phenomenal. Imagine, in the 3 weeks time that we were able to advertise the products, pumalo po tayo sa 8 million of sales using this product alone. So kung titingnan niyo po, first wave of products, bakit may first wave? Kasi may second wave, may third wave, may fourth wave, may final wave, may tidal wave. Joke lang po yun. Okay, anyway, kidding aside, we are trying to develop new products from time to time. So as you can see, the first wave of products, we are into juices. Alam naman po natin, there are a lot of food supplements in the market right now. But of course, we will not discount the fact that food supplements are designed to give a very good health condition, prevents diseases, and at some point will help the body recover from certain diseases. Ako mas gugustuhin ko po, coming from a cancer survivor, coming from me, I would say mas gugustuhin ko, I will prevent disease before it happens. Bakit po? Kasi pag nagkaroon na tayo ng sakit, mahihirapan na tayo mag-isip, mahihirapan na tayo magtrabaho, mahihirapan na tayo maging productive. Rather than, kung wala ka pang sakit at piniprevent mo na, you will look younger. Totoo po yung sinasabi nila, when you take food supplements, nowadays, the food that we are eating is no longer giving us the quality health. And a lot of people would like to have, gusto nila magandang pagmumukha, batang pagmumukha, at the same time malayo sa sakit. We have to take part of this revolution when it comes to food supplementation. There are a lot of diseases, but I can give you the 4 major diseases na isa sa mga reasons bakit ang dami nagkakasakit at ang dami namamatay at early age. We have diabetes, we have arthritis is one common cause, meron din tayong cancer, and of course, the most or the killer disease is what we call cardiovascular diseases or sakit sa puso. Yung iba, ganda okay pa yung itsura, suddenly, bigla nagkakaroon ng heart attack and heart failure. So at this some point in time, education is very important because nowadays, we are on the information age. If you want to live longer, if you want to look younger, and if you want to live happier with a lot of wealth and a lot of money in your pocket, you have to be in front of the information. Itong ginagawa namin ngayon, this is just part of the information campaign and the drive na binibigay namin para naman mabigyan na magandang direction yung mga tao, especially yung mga katulad namin, ordinaryong taong nangarap at umangat sa buhay at gustong umangat sa buhay. Kung isa po kayo doon, we can guarantee that the moment after this presentation, you will be given a proper direction at proper decision. Let's put it this way. Hindi naman po lahat umiinom ng capsules. Hindi naman po lahat nagtitake ng supplements. Pero our products of Iwan right now is considered as reduced, juice reinvented. Bakit? This is not just an ordinary juice na binibili natin sa market. This is a juice that somehow will help you gain or regain your health back, especially if you are already suffering from a serious problem or any mild condition when it comes to diseases. And all the more, wala ka pang sakit at iniinom mo na to, you are enjoying the taste of the juice, and at the same time, you are giving yourself a quality health. babata ka, gaganda ang pakiramdam mo, and at the same time, you will look healthier, younger, more beautiful, and more handsome. Of course, handsome at beautiful na po tayo, i-enhance lang natin. Tama po ba? Okay. Now, let us proceed to this first juice. We have the whitening juice. Here in Asia, particularly in the Philippines, there are a lot of people who wanted to have a whiter complexion. So, for example, a lot of people, they don't want to get exposed to the sun, but knowing that sun can give us a certain vitamin, that is vitamin D. Kaya nga lang po, overexposure of it would cause, more skin cancer. Pero dito sa atin, since ang hilig ng mga Pilipino magpaputi, kasi nga sabi nila dito, pag maputi ka, maganda ka. Paano naman kung maganda ka, tapos puputi ka pa, sobrang ganda mo na. Paano naman kung medyo hindi ka kagandahan at uminom ka nito, babait ka, pupunta ka ng langit, gaganda yung ugali mo, of course, magiging maganda ang buhay. Joke lang po yun. Let us enjoy this one. Okay, so melon burst is our whitening juice. Pag sinasabi mo whitening juice, of course, pangkaputi. Wala naman sa whitening na pag-inom mo, nakakaitin mo. But all the more, let us proceed with the components. Bakit po siya nakakaputi? Actually, our melon burst is very good for the health. It protects the kidney and the liver because of the presence of glutathione. Okay? We have glutathione and collagen. Para sa mga gustong pumuti at bumata, this is a very good product. Bakit po juice? Mas mabilis po kasi absorption kasi bioavailable na siya. Pag inunom mo siya, diretso na siya sa blood plasma mo. Ang mangyayari ngayon, intracellular level yung attack niya. Ibig sabihin po, intracellular level, diretso sa cells. Yung mga cells na kailangan kumain ito will be activated at the same time. It will make you look younger, whiter, your kidney protected, your liver is protected. Pero ang side effect niya or bonus effect is puputi ka talaga. Kasi nga po, yun yung pinaka hinahanap ng mga tao. So, melon burst, our beauty juice, it has cranberry, goji, acai berry, blueberry, collagen, L-glutathione, fiber, stevia. Nga po pala, sa mga taong suffer from diabetes, this is a very good product. Kahit po matamis siya, we are not using sugar or artificial sweetener. Ang ginagamit po natin dito is stevia. It's a natural sweetener. It's a fiber-rich stevia na ang maganda po nito is pag ininom mo siya namin, sir, mangyayari, i-cleanse yung system mo, i-cleanse na yung colon mo. So all the more, liliit yung puso mo, sexy ka, babata ka, puputi ka pa, magiging healthy ka pa. So ano pang hihingin mo? Ano pang hinihintay mo? You drink the melon burst. Of course, this is the stevia. Ito po yung product na nagbibigay ng tamis dun sa mga products natin, the juices. Okay, we have the Four Seasons Melon Burst. Four Seasons Melon Burst is very good for what? Maganda po siya sa mga taong gusto mag-diet, gusto magpapayat. We have the main ingredients of the Four Seasons. Actually, yung lasa niya po talaga is juice. Wala po siyang lasang medicinal aftertaste. Sobrang sarap po talaga. I guess everyday po namin itong tinitake. Tingnan niyo naman po, wala po talagang kapil-pil-pil yan. Kasi lagi ko pong ginagamit ito. Lagi ko po siyang iniinom. Kahit na matakaw sa rice, sobrang kain sa rice, hindi talaga kami lumalaki. At talagang sexy yung figure. And then, kidding aside, this is what we are using right now. We have the Garcinia Cambogia. Alam naman po natin, Garcinia Cambogia is pampapayat talaga. Ang maganda sa Garcinia Cambogia is, it will act like a serotonin level enhancer. Serotonin level or serotonin is a hormone that is produced by our body to give us the happy feeling, especially sa mga babae. Di ba pag ang mga babae nagkakaroon ng parang nadi-disappoint, broken-hearted, iniwan ng mga boyfriend. Di ba, one of the best remedy, one of the best, or girl's best friend as they call it, is the chocolate. Pag kumain kasi sila ng chocolate, yung serotonin level nila nag-i-increase. It gives them the happy feeling. Kaya sumasaya at gumaganda yung pakiramdam nila. So, this one, it will give you a trimmer look. Papayat ka na, increase yung serotonin level mo, it will increase the happy hormones, but then you look younger than your age. Babata ka na, papayat at sexy ka pa. That is one of the basic functions of our Four Seasons or our slimming juice. Meron siyang green tea, it's a Japanese green tea, pampapayat din po siya. CLA is an amino acid produced by our body, but of course, kailangan niyang dagdagan para po mas mag-burn pa siya ng fats. And of course, it has fiber. Ito po, maganda nito pag nakatake kayo ng products natin. Magtataka kayo kung saan ang gagaling yung dumi or yung ilalabas natin, ibabawas natin ang dumi. Sobrang dami talaga kasi nga, it cleanses the body. And lastly, we have the Guyabano. Guyabano, just as we all know, Guyabano or Soursop is known to be 10,000 times more potent in killing cancer cells compared to chemotherapy. Ang maganda po kasi sa Guyabano is selective siya. Unlike chemotherapy, it's non-selective. Let's face it, it's the highest form of antibiotic. Ang guyabano kasi, when it comes to the killing of the cancer cells, hindi naman po yung guyabano ang papatay ng cancer cells. It will enhance the cancer killing cells in our body. Ang tawag po natin doon, macrophage and natural killer cells. Sila po yung pinapadami when it comes to taking guyabano. Pag dumami po yun, lahat ng mga mutated cancer cells, pinapatay, kaya nagkakaroon ng magandang effect sa katawan. This is a health juice because meron po siyang combination of different ingredients. May grapeseed siya. So we all know grapeseed is good for the heart and enhances the vitamin C. Mangosteen is very good antioxidant, top 3 in the antioxidant network. Silimarin is highly recommended for the liver para po maganda po yung removal of our feces or yung taing na tinatawag natin. Excuse me po para sa mga kumakain dyan kasi talagang kailangan natin pag-usapan natin. Alam niyo naman, di ba? Mga Pilipino, pag nag-uusap tayo, I'm sorry, hindi ko na lang sasabihin. Basta alam niyo na ibig ko sabihin. Pagkatapos na lahat ng topic, doon na po napupunta. So doon na rin po napunta yung topic ko ngayon. Anyway, it has guayabano, fiber, and stevia at the same time. Okay? So that is our juices. And we have our Coffee Plus. Cafe Plus is, of course, highly recommended para sa mga taong mahilig sa kape. Of course, this is the coffee. So, para sa mga taong mahilig sa kape. This is very good because it has a combination of, dito po yung mga ingredients niya, kung titingnan ninyo. Meron po siya mangosteen, goji, silimarin, spirulina, ganoderma, guyabano, fiber, and stevia. So yan po yung combination ng coffee natin. Okay, so this is very good for people who are having hard time yung pagbabawas. Kung medyo nahihirap ang magbawas, our Cafe Plus is very good for that. Okay? And of course, para sa mga bata, para sa mga nanay, at sa mga lola na nanonood dyan, if you want your kids to be smarter, to top in the class, gumanda yung pagbuboost ng memory, this is a highly recommended product. Our Loco Choco. Sa sobrang sarap, maloloko ka talaga yan. I'm just kidding. This is a very good product for kids. Why? Because para po sa mga bata na medyo may mga hookworms, pinworms, may mga bulate na nabubuhay sa ilalim ng tiyan, this is highly recommended because this is anti-parasitic. As we all know that Loco Choco or chocolate or the tablillas, tinatawag na the natural cacao, is a very good brain booster and enhancer. Why? Our Loco Choco is combined with ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a brain enhancer and memory booster. It has chlorella. So para sa mga medyo alanganin pa yung height. Sa mga bata ha, kasi kung pwede pa to sa amin, ako na lumaklak nito, hindi na kayo makakabili. Kasi gusto pa rin tumangkad. Anyways, this is a very good product for kids na mga gustong tumangkad because it has chlorella. It has moringa. So we all know moringa is a, what you call that one? Malunggay. It's a malunggay. Okay? Of course, it has a carrot, rich in beta-carotene. It has okra. At the same time, it has fiber and stevia. So those are the juices and the beverages of Iwan International Corporation. Maganda po ba yung products natin? Kayo na po makakasagot niyan based sa narinig niyo. At mas gaganda pa po ang effect nito pag of course ginamit din niyo at kayo po mismo ang naging model ng produkto natin. Now, part of our missions and visions right now is to give a healthy lifestyle to family and at the same time, of course, happy and wealthy. You have to take note of this one. Titingnan po natin. There are 3 basic concepts when it comes to the life of each individual. Tatlo lang po. Ang sa akin, gusto kong kunin, number 1, I wanted to be healthy because alam ko po kung paano magkasakit at kung paano mabigyan ng taling ng buhay. Second one, I wanted to be wealthy kasi po, paano ka magiging healthy if you are not wealthy? And it goes the other way around. Paano ka magiging wealthy kung hindi ka naman healthy? And pag nakuha mo itong wealth and health at the same time, of course, everybody will be happy. Tama po ba? So pag naging healthy and wealthy ka, of course, no other choice. You and your family will become happy. So yan po ang mission and vision ng kumpanya. Aside from that, of course, hindi natin nawawala that Filipinos are very familiar and very good when it comes to beauty products. Masyadong mapili po. Alam niyo po ba, in the ratio here right now in our country, a lot of people are using beauty products. Bahala na po, wala mo nang kakainan, basta maganda lang yung mukha. Bahala, wala mo nang pambili ng bigas. Okay, bahala, wala mo nang pambili ng bigas, basta maganda lang yung mukha. I know for sure a lot of you will agree. Okay? So let's talk about beauty products. We have our Raven soap. Raven soap contains an activated charcoal. This is, ang mga sabon po natin, for the record, they are all cold processed soaps. Ano pa ibig sabihin? There are two types of soaps. May hot process and cold process. Kaya po natin ginaan sa cold process, handmade po, no machine involved sa mga sabon natin, even to the sculpting of the names of the soaps inside it. Makikita niyo sobrang ganda ng sculpture niya. Kamay lang po ang ginamit ito. Kasi nga po, we don't want to spoil the enzyme, the live enzyme that is present in our soaps. Hindi po siya dumaan sa init kasi namamatay yung enzyme. Pag namatay yung enzyme, hindi na po siya magiging effective sa katawan, sa mukha, at kung saan natin ginagamit yung sabon na ito. So that's why our soaps is a cold processed soap. Kung titingnan niyo po, it's one of a kind na mga sabon. So Raven is highly recommended for people which meron po mga amoy ng katawan, medyo mabaho po yung katawan. Hindi po siya pwede sa mabahong hininga kasi hindi po siya pwedeng kinakain. I'm sorry. Kidding aside, this is very good for people na meron pong amoy sa katawan, activated carbon. Tsaka nagtatanggal po siya ng mga dead skin cells, nag-renew po siya ng mga sa balat natin. May detoxification power siya, kasi alam naman po natin, di ba, pag meron tayong rep na hindi ginagamit or kahit yung mga sobrang masangsang na amoy, lagyan na natin ng uling, natatanggal po yung amoy nun. So, effective against skin rashes, yung medyo namumula-mula yung mga mukha. Good against pimples and acne, yung acne po, like acne vulgaris, this is highly recommended. Eliminates body odor, of course, and of course, this has a whitening effect. So, pampaputi pa rin po siya. As we all know, Filipinos would love to have a very whiter complexion. And I am one of them. I wanted to have a whiter complexion. That's why I'm using this one. At totoong tutupo talaga sa akin. Wala po talagang amoy sa katawan. Okay, now we also have this ingredients: bamboo, wood charcoal, aloe vera, wheat germ oil, clear snow, intense whitening. So, ganda pala talaga nito kasi may clear snow po siya. Diba snow, maputi. So, pag pinahid mo pala yun, puputi. Kidding aside, clear snow po yan, isa sa mga ingredients niya. Citron, it is a very good product. This is also for the body. It refreshes and tones the skin. Para po sa mga medyo nagsasag yung mga balat, medyo nagsasag yung skin, you try to use our citron kasi po nagkakaroon siya ng pampatone ng balat. Of course, it's good against pimples and acne at the same time. So this is also very good for people who have pimples all over their body. Peppermints give extra kick of energy. Kaya nga po pala, pag ginamit mo to, parang medyo, nung ginamit ko siya first time, parang tumilapon ako sa side. Kala ko ano yun, kasi nagkikik pala talaga siya. Naninipa. Okay, joke lang po yun, wag po kayong maniwala. I'm just kidding about the kick. It means it gives you an extra refreshing feeling pag ginamit mo siya. So this is a very good product. Okay, our citron. So para po to sa mga medyo may amoy din sa katawan. And after this, you will feel all the confidence. Bakit po? Ang sarap po siya gamitin kasi po sobrang refreshing po ng citron natin. Okay, now ingredients na meron siyang citron extract, meron siyang peppermint, meron siyang aluminum chlorohydrate. Of course, aluminum chlorohydrate is kunwari sa tawas. So, di ba ang tawas mapaalis ng what you call this one? Amoy ng katawan. Of course, 8-in-1 whitening. Imagine, itong citron na to, 8-in-1. Bihira ka lang po makakita ng sabon sa katawan na 8-in-1. Actually, nakikita ko nga po, napapansin ko, pumuputi. Pati yung dito ko talaga, pumuputi. Tsaka doon dito banda. Tsaka dito banda. Tsaka sa baba. Pumuputi po siya. Sobrang puti. Okay? Anyway, so meron po tayong luminosity. Luminosity is for the face naman. Ito naman, it has collagen that promotes anti-aging. Kung medyo marami ng wrinkles nagsasag ng mga skin, you have to use this product. Hindi po siya kailangang ibabad. Kasi po, because of its live enzyme, mararamdaman nyo. Talagang nagkakaroon ng tingling sensation at sinasabi na talaga ng soap na, hey, I am working. And you have to see the result after one wash only. That is how good our luminosity is. Kojic acid, alam naman natin in Japan, this is highly recommended at isa po ito sa mga katanggap-tanggap na pampaputi when it comes to whitening effects. Sa mga Japanese, this is one of their basic secrets. Kojic acid for renewal and repair and complexion. Skin firming, yun na nga po with collagen. It has beta-arbutin, shea butter, intense skin whitening, grapeseed oil, and cocoa oil. Okay, Serenity naman, it has an argan oil. It's called as nature's liquid gold because of its nourishing properties. Nature's liquid gold. Alam naman po natin, when it comes to gold, gold is one of the best conductors. Hindi lang po ginagamit ang gold sa mga jewelries. Ginagamit din po siya sa mga food, wine, kasi nga po, ang gold is adaptogen. Kumbaga, ang bilis na mag-adapt. Ina-enhance yung flavor, yung taste, yung effect. Kaya nga po, gold, argan oil is considered as nature's liquid gold. Kasi nga po, mabilis yung effect niya. Okay? So it has nourishing properties, dissolve dead skin cells, that causes skin discoloration. So medyo iba-iba yung color ng balat. Sa mga medyo nagdadalmation dyan, tatal-tantal, this is highly recommended. Whitening at the same time. So serenity ingredients, argan oil, beta-arbutin, turmeric, extract. Alam niyo po ba yung turmeric? It's luyang dilaw. Luyang dilaw. Okay? So highly recommended din po. Maganda para sa balat. Carica papaya extract. As we all know, papaya or papay is a very good exfoliating properties. It's very good for exfoliation. Lemon extract. Alam naman po natin yung lemon, pampaputiin siya. Cocoa oil, and of course, ma'am, sir, ito nga pala, we are using coconut oil. We're not using any other oil because coconut oil is the highest, tinatawag nilang the highest content of antibacterial property, yung cocoa oil. Okay? So that is why you need sa mga sakit natin. And lastly, for our products, we have the best product right now. We have the Gold Caviar. Kalo-launch lang po ito. Actually, hindi pa talaga siya na-launch, pero we have already tried this product. Ang ganda po nitong gold na products na to. Kasi nga po, this is coming from the Gold Caviar. Gold Caviar. There are a lot of gold products here, beauty products that contains gold, but not as same as our Gold Caviar. The result speaks for itself. Okay? Kailangan na lang natin siyang gamitin kasi nga po, this is one of the most sought after and sellable products in the market today. So we need to use this one. Okay? So the Gold Caviar, watch for our launching of a Gold Caviar and let us continue to stay put for further announcement and further details about our product. Okay. Okay? So after this product, actually ang dami ng testimony nito eh. Meron itong mga testimony. Believe it or not, isang gamit pa lang, yung mga severe pimples, severe acne formation, ang dami pong testimonies. These are just part of the testimonies. The face wash works instantly. You can see the golden glow of the face. Alam niyo, pag nilagay niyo ito sa balat niyo, huwag niyo muna tanggalin. Pag nilagay niyo itong gold face wash na to, syempre may gold na yan. Punta muna kayo sa pawn shop. Ipa-appraise niyo po. Mataas po yung appraisal unit. This is a very good product because gold again is a very good adaptogen. You can see the golden glow of the face, which is evident and effectively the presence of gold dust in the face wash. Give an instant effect. Instant. Meaning, hindi mo pala nalalagay sa face mo, sa kamay mo pa lang, maganda yung balat. Okay po ba yan? This is products that to use twice daily to get this instant golden glow on the face. We also have the golden face mask. Ito po, an innovative beauty that allows nourishing properties to be absorbed by the skin and for impurities to be drawn out. Discover the secret of softer, brighter, and younger looking skin. So you have to use it. It's a face mask. Ilalagay niyo po siya dito, tapos bababad niyo muna, tapos pag medyo nag-dry na, tutuklapin niyo po. Dahan-dahan po pagtuklap pa kasi masama yung mukha natin. Okay? Dahan-dahan. Okay. Anyway, kidding aside, that is our gold mask. And of course, we have the Kojic soap. The soap wash away dark dirts and excess oils to reveal skin. Yung mga oily faces na sobrang oily talaga, we recommend our Kojic soap. Actually, one set po siya. And to give you an idea, isang set na to, it's 6 in one set po siya. 6 pieces. Our contemporary, who is doing the direct selling in the market right now, they are selling this one. And you can only find this one at SM Mega Mall. You try to ask for it. One set, apat lang. It costs 75,000 pesos. At most yung bumibili nito, mga mayayaman lang talaga. Sobrang yaman na. Kasi imagine beauty products, 75,000 pesos. Ours only cost, I would say, 90% off of the 75,000 pesos. And you have to try our product because it's only cost at least 10,000 or more than 10,000 pesos. Okay, it has a lotion, and of course, it has a lot of benefits. Moisturize your skin, protects your skin from damage, even skin tones, small patchy skin, basta para sa balat po siya pampaganda ng balat. Gold dust used to be a secret of Cleopatra way back in Egypt. Okay, so for now, we have this testimonies. Actually, hindi po masyadong makikita dyan, but the result is really evident po talagang gumanda at kuminis po talaga within a matter of, 2 weeks lang, oh. Sobrang gumanda na yung balat. Okay? So for more products info po, we will take a short break right now and we will be talking later. So sobrang ganda ng products. Alam ko po, you are looking forward to have a very good business break. Later po, kung ano yung natatamasa naming kasaganahan sa buhay ngayon with these products of iWon, isi-share po namin sa inyo. At kung paano yan, we will be right back after a short break. So have your break muna, wiwit muna, kahit merienda, balik tayo mamaya. Okay? So maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. And of course, be right back after short commercial break. Promise. Bye!